bundok. Okay, in the bundok.
As DJ.
You can get some.
Nice, 3 days.
Now let's go.
Wait lang. Where's the auto? There's the Banley, where all our things, we put it there. So we don't have to carry. Nag-drive sila, tayo naglakad. So we are in the Interlaken, and still cold here because mataas kami, nasa mataas kami lugar.
We are high in the mountain. In summer, it's hot.
Dito,
but here, it's cold.
Yes, mainit, ay malamig.
Fresh air.
Fresh air, lalo na sa taas. Nakita nyo doon, yung mountain, meron pa siyang snow. Never nawala ng snow dito kasi sobrang taas nitong place na to. And it drive. Yeah, and you have to drive here 3 hours. 3 hours from Sangkalan. So mataas tong bundok na to. Bundok. Parang tabi-tabing bundok. So, video. Nagbe-video si Gia, nagbe-video din ako. Nagbe-videohan tayo. And that's my daughter taking a video. And this is Gian taking a video. We are just slowly. I have my stick. When you do hiking, you need stick, so it's more easier. Hello mga ka-Blisspool.
Hi mga ka-Blisspool. So we are here once again, but today we're somewhere else. We are in Jinglehorn. So maybe we're staying here for 3 days, and that's all the info I can give you. The next info is giving my mother, the cameraman.
The cameraman. Ay, di ka pala na. We walk almost an hour, 1 hour. And we walk once again on the side, so you have to be very careful. But I love hiking. For me, this is one of my hobby. Of course, less work, more hobby. But fortunately, we have to work. Aww. And that's so we're too near, and as you can see, oh look, pinawisan ako. Pahinga uli muna kami. Ayan yung mga kasama ko, nagpapahinga. So, ang sarap ng hangin, mga ka-Bliss Pool. Sobrang worthy ang aking sweat. Basa na yung damit ko, yung kilikili ko, basa na. Basa na yung, baby, yung kilikili ko, basa na! Basa na yung kilikili! So, mali pala ako mga, yung kaninang shino ko sa inyo, bahay yun ng baboy. So we're here. That's the hotel we're going to stay. And finally, we are here. It's a nice view. We will tour you. We were going to stay here for 3 days. And we will do around. Oh, hi, Gillian Nivis! Hello! Hello! Say hello to my vlog! Oh, hello daw sa inyo! Nay, hindi yan. So, kuhanin natin yung gamit natin. Dito namin nilagay yung gamit namin kanina para hindi kami magbitbit. Mga ka-Bliss Pool, we're going in our room. This is our hotel that we are going to stay for about 3 days. Here is our room.
Careful, we have a roboter.
What is roboter?
Stop silver.
Ah, stop sugar. Shit. So, you have a balcony. So fresh. Oh, take a view. So nice. From our balcony. We've been finished eat our lunch, so we go into the other mountain near here. Come up. So we're going to walk for about 3 hours
Again?
We're going to move under a mountain, so they're very near now. Bangil na ulit to, mga ka-Bliss Pool. Lakad-lakad ulit tayo sa mga bangil-bangil. Ayan. Tourismus. Tourismus.
Sorry ass DJ.
some?
Wait lang. Hindi yan picture. Vid.
Mama, look down.
Nakakatakot. Ang ganda ng ating likod. Hoy mga lasinggero. Say hello ka muna, Ricard. So. Time check, 7 o'clock na. Still putok na putok pa rin ang araw. 'Di ba? Hi, Shats! You must hold back kapag may aso, baby, kasi mag-aaway. Kailangan sila ang mga aso kasi nilalaan nila yung aso, mag-aaway sila.
There, Fuller. That's water. It's fresh nature water from the berg. Lagyan mo pa unti. More water in it. Nice, good. That's good.
Switzerland. Flag ng Switzerland. Ang taas-taas ko. Kaya ang mahal-mahal pumunta dyan mga ka-peaceful. Punta sana kami dyan na hindi na lang kasi ang mahal. Pumasahe lang papuntang train pataas. So, wag na lang. Sayang naman ng pera. Switzerland! That's my breakfast. And we have a bread here. We have a soft and local bread. So I take a soft for me.
Wow!
So, en gute dyan.
Tschüss miteinander. Schönen Tag.
Dankeschön.
Time check. ngayon, uwi na kami. The 3 days, all the happy memories, adventures is finished. So, bye-bye. So,
Cheers!
see you everyone.
Yeah,
So, bababa na kami pa, baba na uli kami. Submit na lang yan and then, see you. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa aming adventure.
So, bye!
Ciao, Yanni! Ciao! Bis next one! So, we're here. The down. James Bond. Yung dalawang
And my Bond girl.
Dun, 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 dun. Ay, nako. Ayan lahat ng gamit namin dala. Ito na lang may banli. Hindi namin kailangan dalhin akyat pataas baba. Na tayo sa baba mga ka-blissful. Pero punta muna tayo sa restaurant. Mag-restaurant muna tayo kasi mahaba-habang biyahe at saka I need to buy yung Alp butter nila dito, yung which is they use upstairs in the restaurant na sobrang fine, sobrang fine. Dito lang siya, especially lang siya dito ginagawa sa restaurant na to. Ito yung specialist nila na ginagawa. So, I will take the opportunity to buy those Alp butter. So,
Tayo, share tayo.
bakit mag-share?
Ikaw din, kumain din sa akin.
Share ka dyan.
Ang damot mo. Ako binigyan ko sa'yo sa akin.
Uy, ganun lang yan. Sip lang. It's fine.
Fish kumain.
Uy, fine. Fine. So, ano yung ano Tito Ricard?
Bitis ko naman kita. I love na love kita, baby ko.
Na hindi ka na madamo.
Fine. Ang sarap ng klase nila.
Ito yung kain, ito yung inumin.
Ayan, sawaray.
Mami, samurai.
Yeah, sawaray. Ay, ang sarap naman ng klase nila.
Nasay mo strawberry?
Hindi pa.
Try mo din. Yan.
Zuerst Wirtschaftssitzung machen, aber mal zu dafür machen.
Dito tayo bibili ng Alp butter. Ang sarap ng Alp butter nila dito. They make salbagima. Supa. Magnandirito kayo.
Alpebuton tayo freeze. Tayo.
Bibili ako, tapos ilalagay ko sa
Yung
restaurant
houses.
para matagal ko masya makagamit. Ay, makakain.
And then, kapag sa bahay, ganun din ka magising. Para makakain ka din.
Mamaya, bibili tayo. Before we leave. Driver namin, seryoso. Nakatulog na ako. 2 oras. Awad ako. Tulog ako. McDonald's. Nakatulog na naman ako. Grabe. Undo, Daddy?
Bitte bist du yes.
So, it's better na lang you make McDrive.
So, ist ja gleich schnell, oder?
Ay, Gian, ang lang pa yan.
Da.
Nay, we make Mac drive na lang.
Wieso? Dann soll ich das mal quick.
Nein.
Nein.
Nicht
So we
Ja,
can,
nicht
she
so
can
far.
eat when we
Sonst müssen sie
fahren.
einfach da essen und sonst können sie nachher daheim essen.
Ja.
Nein.
Oder in Auto.
Merci.
So, ayan ang ating adventure here in the Interlaken.
Das war unsere 3 Tage voller Abenteuer.
Yeah, we had fun. So, maraming salamat mga ka-Blissful sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa aming channel.
Yes, Lord.
At wag sana
Thank
kayong magsawang magsuporta sa amin at sa lahat ng tumatangkilik ng aming channel. Maraming salamat from the bottom of our heart. Yeah.
The kids out there, stay happy, stay nice, obey your parents, and God bless you all.
Bye mga ka-Blissful! Thank you!